I'm Richard Petrie, I'm CTO at LINX. LINX is an internet exchange business providing interconnection services around the world. We're a membership organisation, so our customers are also members. We have over 900 members connecting about 1,000 networks across 80 different countries, and we provide something in the region of 50 terabits of interconnection capacity. A lot of the challenges that LINX and also our members, our customers face is really around cost and scale. As I'm sure you can appreciate, the internet and the traffic continues to grow. We, as a business, continue to grow. We have to provide more capacity, more services, and connect more networks, and we need to do that in a cost-effective way. Our customers, our members, are content players, access networks, fixed mobile networks, and they're always looking to us to provide increasing capacity, but obviously to be cost-effective in doing that. To meet the challenges that we face, that our members, our customers face, it really comes down to making sure we can scale at cost. Part of that is around automation, part of that is investing in the right technology, and part of that is how we buy the equipment that we put into the network, and who, from a partnership point of view, we select to put the equipment into the network. Nokia are helping us meet many of these requirements. As I said, automation is a big part of what we need to do. In order to drive down costs, we're trying to reduce the human overhead in everything we do. We do have automation tooling at LINX already, and so Nokia came in and sat with our engineers and worked with us and adapted and built systems to work with our systems. Part of this was building the open source Napalm library, which they put back to the community, and that obviously helped us as well with our automation side of things. Another side is capacity, where I mentioned growing at cost. So we've invested in 400 gig. That was key for us at the end of 2021, and as we go into 22. We've already got an eye on the next area, which is 800 gig and beyond, and so Nokia are willing to work with us, and they've already got the technologies to start looking at 800 gig. With the procurement process, we really look at three main factors. One is the technology itself. Obviously, it needs to meet the technology that we need to provide to our members. There's a cost element, so we, as I say, scale and cost is a key part of our challenges. And there's doing business, so we pick the vendor, the partner, with the view of how do we make sure that we strike a long-term relationship with them, and also how do they contribute back to the community. Obviously, there's a long history there with Nokia, so they're an established company, long history. They've got a good reputation, which is great. In addition to that, they've the right technology for us, but also they innovate, and we were really pleased when we spoke to them about the automation. We spoke about how we could maybe do some disaggregated open network operating system models in the future, and obviously with the proof of concept. So we run a huge internet exchange point here in London. We have over 50 terabits of connected capacity. We have a multi-vendor network where we have to do a proof of concept in a lab. Even though Nokia is a large company with all that history, they still have the agility and the flexibility to work with somebody like LINX on our particular use case. They still listened to the customer, they adapted to what we needed, and helped us obviously solve problems for our customers, for our members.